Well, we are on 1431 and 183. We are, I say we, I'm the only one in the car. Something is happening with the train stop up here. The railroad crossing lights are going off and the cops are having to hold the little bars, little barricades that keep people going through. I don't know what the hell they're called. They're having to hold them up in order to let people go through. It's quite hilarious. See if I can get a video without them looking at me. Watch, there's a cop up here, and he's literally, these guys are holding the rails up. This is like insane. I've never seen this. And it's raining. These poor guys are out in the rain. Oh. One keeps trying to radio in. Oh, so sad. I hope he doesn't get mad at me videoing, but this is insane. Look, they're all up there. He's holding it up. That is insane. That guy is holding it up too. Oh, that's just crazy. This is crazy.